have a huge box full of amazing items. There are 7 full-size items in this box for fall. I wanted this box to be a collection of items that I love, and I wanted it to have like a found look. I love things that are both modern farmhouse, vintage, traditional. I love a mix of things, and I feel like it makes your home feel warm and cozy. I wanted each of these pieces to also be able to be used in multiple places in your home. So let me show you those items now. First is this large piece of artwork. It has a beautiful fall vintagey looking print in there, and it even has the texture. It has a gorgeous and vintagey distressed frame. You can see the detail in it here. It is a nice large size. This is perfect on your entryway table, on a shelf. You can hang it on your wall. It has hangers in the back on each side. And next items are these boxes. I love using decor boxes for coffee tables, bookcases, nightstand. They have a nice large interior on both of them, so you can hide your jewelry on your nightstand, your remotes, anything that you need to have close at hand but don't want seen. And these have a beautiful on-trend check pattern and a tone-on-tone beautiful gray. This is a large vase, and I wanted it to have the feel of those pieces from Pottery Barn that have that kind of vintage found look but without the price tag. So this is a large size, and it has these great little handles on each side, and it has a beautiful worn textured finish. This would be beautiful on your island, your coffee table, your nightstands, dressers, entryway table. You could even style this on open shelving as is, or you could add some beautiful stems. Y'all know I love faux greenery because they never die, they don't drop their leaves, they don't trigger allergies, and you can use them for many, many years to come. I love the muted plum color on these. So they're actually 3 stems bundled together for you. The stem is adjustable and flexible, so you can adjust the height, and then each of the branches is also adjustable and flexible. And you can see how beautiful it is in the vase. Throw blankets are one of my favorite ways to add texture, warmth, color, and pattern to a space. Great on couches, on ottomans, at the end of your bed, on a chair, and of course to cozy up. And I love the plaid pattern in this. This one is huge, and it has great fringe detailing on either end, and it has a black and kind of light tan coloring, and so warm and cozy. You also are going to get 2 battery operated tea light candles that have a candle flicker function on them, and I'm gonna show you what these are gonna go in, and you're gonna love it. I'm very, very excited about these last pieces because last year, if y'all remember, Pottery Barn had those amazing terracotta pumpkins that like sold out super quick. So I love that these have an open bottom on each, and then they have the great little detail on the handles. You can easily add your tea light right underneath these, and these have a beautiful aged terracotta finish. These will be great on your fireplace hearth, your coffee table, your entryway table, open shelving, so many places.